Linux trick of the day. Why not create a simple function that creates a directory recursively and then cd u into that directory. So let's create a simple function and name it mkdir and cd, and this will create directories recursively and then it will cd into those directories that we created recursively. So let's create this. So I will hit enter. Now the method is created, so we can call this. So let's call it mkdir and cd, and let's pass directories that we want to create recursively. So let's say I'll just pass a random name, and if I hit enter, as you can see we create those directories and we automatically cd change our directory to the directory that we created. Now this is not permanent, so to set this permanent, you can add this to your bash rce or bash profile file. So I will go back to my home directory and let's edit that bash profile file. So bash underscore profile, and let's add that to the end of this file. I will go to the end of the file and paste it. I will save this file. Now we need to start this, so I will open another terminal. Let's call this command and see if it's still working. So I will create directory g recursively, and if I hit enter, as you can see it created those directories recursively and cd me to that directory. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.